Hello, my dear friend. It's so good to have you here today. Imagine we're sitting together in a quiet, cozy corner, maybe with a warm cup of tea, just talking about you, your health, your happiness, and how to make these years the best yet. I'm here as your guide, like a caring doctor who's walked this path. And today we're diving into something that matters deeply. 10 signs your body is aging too quickly. Here's how to slow it down. You know, growing older is a beautiful gift. It's a chance to share your wisdom, to live with purpose, and to cherish every moment. But sometimes our bodies send us quiet signals, little nudges, that they're aging faster than they should. These aren't just about a few wrinkles or gray hairs. They're about how you feel, your energy, your strength, your joy. I've been there myself. A few years ago, I noticed I was dragging a bit. My joints ached more than usual, and I didn't have that familiar pep in my step. It made me pause and ask, what's my body trying to tell me? That's when I started digging into the science, talking to experts, and making small changes that brought my vitality back. And now, I want to share that wisdom with you, because you deserve to feel strong, vibrant, and full of life no matter your age. In this video, we'll walk through 10 signs that your body might be aging too quickly. But don't worry, I'm not here to scare you. For each sign, I'll share gentle, practical steps to slow things down, like advice from a trusted friend who's got your back. So settle in, maybe grab a notebook, and let's have this heart-to-heart. If this speaks to you, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so we can keep this conversation going. Ready? Let's dive in. Sign number 1. You're always tired, even after rest. Let's start with something many of us know too well. Feeling exhausted, even after a full night's sleep. You wake up, and instead of feeling refreshed, you're already reaching for that extra cup of coffee to get through the day. Sound familiar? If so, your body might be aging faster than it needs to. This kind of fatigue isn't just about a busy life. It can mean your cells, those tiny powerhouses called mitochondria, are struggling to keep up. As we age, they can slow down, but you can help them shine again. What you can do: feed your body well. Try adding more whole foods to your plate. Think blueberries, spinach, or a piece of grilled salmon. These are rich in antioxidants that recharge your cells. Get moving. I know it's tough when you're tired, but even a 15-minute walk can spark your energy. Maybe take a stroll around your neighborhood or park. Improve your sleep. Are you truly resting? Try winding down without screens an hour before bed and keeping your bedroom cool and dark. It's like a hug for your body. When I started eating more colorful foods and walking daily, it was like my energy came back to life. You can feel that lift too. Sign number 2. Your skin looks dull and feels dry. Next, let's talk about your skin. If it's feeling dry, looking tired, or losing its glow, it's more than just a surface issue. Your skin reflects what's happening inside, and rapid changes can signal that your body's aging too quickly. As we age, our skin makes less collagen and holds less moisture. But if you're noticing this in your 50s or early 60s, it's a sign your body needs a little extra care. What you can do: stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. I keep a water bottle nearby. It's a simple habit that works. Nourish from within. Foods like walnuts, avocados, and oranges are packed with omega-3s and vitamin C to support your skin's glow. Be gentle with your skin. Use a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, and always wear sunscreen, even on cloudy days. I added more water and healthy fats to my routine, and within weeks, my skin felt softer and looked brighter. Small steps can make such a big difference. Sign number 3. You're forgetting things more often. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you're there? Or maybe names and details slip your mind more than they used to. A little forgetfulness is normal, but if it's happening often, it could mean your brain is aging faster than it should. Your brain is like a muscle. It thrives when you use it. As we age, it can slow down, but you can keep it sharp with the right care. What you can do: challenge your mind. Try puzzles, crosswords, or even learning a new hobby like gardening or painting. I started doing word games in the morning, and it's like a workout for my brain. Eat for your brain. Blueberries, dark chocolate, and kale are great for memory. I love tossing berries into my breakfast. Prioritize sleep. Your brain processes memories while you rest. So aim for 7 to 8 hours of good sleep. I use and misplace my glasses constantly, but these habits have helped me feel clearer and more focused. Your brain deserves that love too. Sign number 4, your joints feel stiff and sore. If you're waking up with stiff, achy joints, like you need a bit of oil to get moving, your body might be aging too quickly. Joint pain isn't just part of getting older. It can signal inflammation or where that's happening too soon. What you can do: move gently. Try low-impact activities like swimming, yoga, or walking to keep your joints flexible. I started yoga once a week, and it's been a blessing. Eat to reduce inflammation. Add turmeric, ginger, or olive oil to your meals. I mix a pinch of turmeric into my tea. It's easier than you think. Talk to your doctor. Supplements like glucosamine might help, but check with your doctor to see what's right for you. My knees used to complain every morning, but these changes have made moving so much easier. You deserve to feel limber too. Sign number 5, you're gaining weight without changing anything. Have you noticed a few extra pounds sneaking on, especially around your middle? Even though your habits haven't changed, this can mean your metabolism is slowing faster than it should. As we age, we lose muscle, which slows calorie burning, but you can take control. What you can do: build strength. Try light strength exercises, like lifting small weights or doing squats. I do a few at home, and it's helped me feel stronger. Add protein. Include eggs, yogurt, or chicken in every meal to support muscle and keep you satisfied. Watch portions. Our calorie needs decrease with age, so use smaller plates to keep portions in check. I struggle with weight creep in my 50s, but these steps help me feel fit and confident again. You've got this. Sign number 6, thinning hair. Hair feeling sparse or falling out. Hair loss can signal aging, but we can give those locks some love. How to fix it: feed your hair. Eggs and nuts are packed with biotin and zinc. Be kind to your hair. Skip harsh heat or tight styles. Chill out. A quick meditation sesh reduces stress-related hair loss. I added nuts to my snacks, and my hair's bouncing back. Let's rock those luscious locks. Sign number 7, vision or hearing slipping. Squinting at menus or saying what? Too often. Rapid changes in vision or hearing might mean your body's aging too fast. How to fix it: get checkups. Annual eye and ear exams catch issues early. Protect yourself. Sunglasses and earplugs are your friends. Eat for senses. Carrots for eyes, salmon for ears. Delish. I started wearing sunglasses, and my eyes thank me. Let's keep our senses sharp. Sign number 8, catching every bug. Getting sick too often or recovering slowly. A weaker immune system can signal faster aging. Let's power it up. How to fix it: boost with food. Oranges, yogurt, and garlic are immune superstars. Stay active. A brisk walk keeps your defenses strong. Sleep well. 7 to 8 hours is your immune system's best friend. I used to catch every cold, but now I'm thriving. You'll be a health warrior. Sign number 9, mood swings or blues. Feeling grumpy or down more than usual. Mood shifts can mean your body's aging out of balance. Let's lift those spirits. How to fix it: connect. Call a friend or join a club. It's instant joy. Move your body. A walk or dance class sparks endorphins. Talk it out. A therapist can be a game changer if you need it. I started weekly friend chats, and my heart's lighter. Let's find your happy. Sign number 10, wobbly balance or weakness. Feeling unsteady or struggling with groceries. Losing strength or balance can signal too fast aging. Let's build you up. How to fix it: practice balance. Try standing on one foot. It's fun. I do it while brushing my teeth. Strengthen up. Walking or light weights keep bones strong. Eat calcium. Yogurt and kale are bone-loving foods. I used to wobble, but now I'm steady and strong. You'll feel like a superhero. Phew, what a blast we've had today. We've uncovered 10 signs your body might be aging too fast and loaded up on fun. Easy ways to turn back the clock. Aging isn't about slowing down. It's about living with zest, strength, and joy. You're not just getting older, you're getting bolder. Pick one tip to try today. Maybe a walk, a glass of water, or a puzzle. These little steps will have you sparkling in no time. I believe in you, and I'm cheering you on. If you love this, give it a big thumbs up, share with your crew, and subscribe so we can keep this vibe going. Drop a comment below. Tell me which tip you're trying first. Want more ways to live your best life? Check out the playlist in the description. Thanks for hanging out with me. You're the best. Here's to thriving, laughing, and turning back the clock together. See you in the next video, my friends.